I used to be an employee holding a very decent position in the middle management. It's very important for me as a mom, working mom, to have a travel incentive, bonuses, unlimited income. I was able to have a complete balance of my life. Numbers or income that I didn't expect. Yung sinasabi natin na you can be a millionaire in 1 year, yes, it's true. Maging supportive ako financially sa family ko, sa anak ko, sa daddy ko. Even for those already retired, there's a continuation of life. There's a rewarding career that can be enjoyed every day. So it's all here at AIA.